Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a wall decor piece with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now in the crafter section, they were selling these 3-step down rounds, and I thought I would go ahead and design this wall decor piece using fall items. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called What Would You Make? And this is being hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Divine Design. They do have a guest host, and it's Happy Tuesday. So as you can see here, I already started coloring these circles. Now we're using the Chestnut by Apple Barrel, which I purchased at Walmart for this round. And then the other 2 rounds, I kind of just lightened them up as I went. The second one was a beige color, and then the third one was a color that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I lightened that up. So we have 3 different shades of fall. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, once we get all these 3 rounds painted, we have to leave them off there to dry, and then we can go ahead and start embellishing them. Now here I decided to go ahead and grab some jute twine and make some bows. I'm also grabbing some greenery and some leaves. Now, so I got those jute twines put together, and now I'm just kind of putting together the greenery and how I want them placed. So just getting ready. So on these 3 shades of these circles, looking beautiful. I love it. So now we're going to go ahead and work with the leaves. So now embellishing is always one of my favorite parts. So let's start out with this big one, which I think is coming out amazing, and we'll decorate the other two, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is looking amazing. The smaller one was a little bit harder because the leaves were almost the same size as the round, but we're almost ready to head on over to the reveal. I did use a double-sided tape that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, which works amazing. Now, I think these came out absolutely beautiful, guys. And at the time, or I think they were like $1.25, these look amazing. So I hope you agree. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.